Miami looks like it's going to be in punt safe, being aware of the potential fake, but Georgia Tech opting to punt it.
They're going to fake it and throw down the far sideline and caught! And a touchdown!
Pressley Harvin just dropped a dime!
Harvin on the punt to Botkin. He's going to let it bounce and roll inside the 10, inside the 5.
Booming punt for Pressley Harvin. And Thomas muffs it. Recovered by Georgia Tech.
Please be quiet. A guy's about to bomb a football.
What do you think of this one, McAfee?
Beautiful. Absolutely stupendous. Pressley Harvin, an absolute stud punter, downs it inside the 5.
DJ Dallas is going to let this one bounce at the 10. And it's dead at the 5, and Harvin does what he does.
Harvin's averaging 50 yards per punt in our game, and this one is another boomer. Oh, what a bounce inside the 5. It goes sideways and down inside the 5 at the 4-yard line.
And just a bomb. It was such a strong punt that you thought that there was no way it was going to check up before the end zone. It'd be a touchback. And look.